I think, yeah, we're recording. All right, we're in building 33, room 333, the penthouse. Little foyer here, living room, kitchen, my beautiful wife making coffee. Pretty big unit. Nice sized living room here. I'm a little confused about the TV stand. It's just like huge. And we got the first bathroom in here. You know, shower, toilet, whatever. 2 queens in this room. And then building 33 is right above the main pool here. You can just kind of hang out, watch all the shenanigans. Give you all a better look. Lots of boats out today too. And the balcony is cool, but it's not as private as we thought it was gonna be. You really get to know your neighbors. Right, babe? Jacuzzi. We use that quite a bit. Another little table, a couple loungers here. And I'll give y'all a better view when I turn around. Let's see. And then there's the other pool up top there, right up these stairs, which we only went to once, but that's probably one of our favorite pools, actually. And so you got your neighbors over here, and then everyone else kind of looking down at you, checking out what you're doing. But other than that, it's really nice. We'll go back in here. And then we'll go downstairs to the 2 other bedrooms. Then I might still have a teenager in here sleeping, even though we gotta leave in 30 minutes. Oh, she's up. This was her room. She's in the shower. Got another full bathroom in there. Shower, toilet, all that good stuff. We'll open it. And then you got another big balcony down below. Not too bad at all. And then I'll take y'all into the master. Another great view. As long as I'm not locked out here. No, we're good. Couple chairs here. Nice little table. Decent king-size bed. So we're getting all packed up, stashing our tequila and mezcal. And then you got a full bathroom in here. Nice little tub that we didn't use. 2 sinks, a walk-in shower, toilet, and another sink. You got a decent closet in here too. We had them put the safe in here because there wasn't a safe anywhere down here, so. Give you a better look. And the reason I did this is because this is our first time staying in a penthouse, and I always wondered, okay, how many people can it fit, and you know, what's it like staying in it? And I can never find anything on the penthouses. No videos, no anything. So I hope this helps some of y'all and y'all enjoy it. All right, see y'all soon.